Understanding impulse buying, a guide to spontaneous shopping choices. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase that's common in the world of shopping: impulse buying. This term is not only interesting but also very relevant in our daily lives. So, let's dive in and understand what it means and how it's used. Impulse buying refers to the act of purchasing items spontaneously, without prior planning. This usually happens under the influence of sudden, strong emotions. Imagine walking past a store and seeing a dress that you didn't plan to buy, but it looks so appealing that you buy it immediately. That's impulse buying. There are several reasons why people make impulse purchases. It could be due to emotional triggers like happiness, sadness, or stress, or because of special promotions and attractive advertisements. Sometimes, it's simply the thrill of acquiring something new. Understanding these triggers can help us make more mindful shopping decisions. Let's look at some common scenarios. Buying snacks at the checkout because they look tempting. Purchasing a gadget just because it's on sale, even if you don't need it. Grabbing a souvenir on a trip, driven by the excitement of the moment. These examples show how impulse buying is often driven by feelings and situations rather than actual needs. Impulse buying can have various effects. On a positive note, it can bring temporary happiness and satisfaction. However, it can also lead to regret, financial strain, and the accumulation of unnecessary items. It's important to strike a balance and be aware of our shopping habits. Here are some tips to help control impulse purchases. Make a shopping list and stick to it. Wait for a day before making a big purchase. Set a budget for discretionary spending. Ask yourself if you really need the item. Understanding the concept of impulse buying can be incredibly useful in our daily lives. It helps us become more mindful shoppers and better manage our finances. I hope this video has been informative and engaging. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next lesson.